property. You can't touch now. Is this private property right here? You cannot touch now.
Final warning that they're gonna come over here. There'll be officers on either side. They're gonna make sure everyone else is cleared off, and they will then arrest you and take you to the police station. So you have the option right now still to walk down the street and leave if you want to.
Move from the apron of the driveway. The trucks are gonna come in. If you don't move, you will be arrested. Notify. Everybody's had a reasonable amount of time to do their picket. We're going to ask you to move. We're going to move you. Those who don't will be arrested.
My name is Alex Hershaft. I am the founder and president of the farm animal rights movement. I'm also a survivor of the Nazi Holocaust. I'm here today in front of Farmer John's, the world's largest pig slaughterhouse, to say stop the slaughter. We have joined a number of local activists with the same message. I refer to animal holocaust because each week this country slaughters 2 million pigs. That's as many living beings as were slaughtered in an Auschwitz death camp during the entire war. Surely we are different than pigs. But what I focus on is the fact that pigs have the same love for life. They have the same ability to experience key emotions such as sadness, fear, joy, and affection. I'm also struck by the parallels between the oppressors of the two groups. In each case, their image is of upstanding citizens of their community. In each case, they're preoccupied with the efficiency of killing and with number crunching. And finally, they are both eager to hide and masquerade their dastardly deeds. As an example, if you look on the murals behind me, here at Farmer John's, they depict happy pigs cavorting in green meadows, which is of course totally untrue. but it reminds me in its cynicism of the writing over the gate of Auschwitz, which is work makes you free.
And what do you hope to accomplish by being here today?
We hope to stop the slaughter for at least a few minutes. It's a symbolic act, but it's an act which we expect will be carried worldwide in the media, and it will remind people once again that killing and eating pigs is not a cool thing to do.
And if people want more information, where can they go?
They can contact us at livevegan.org. That's livevegan.org.